Wales and West Housing's graduate programme helped me to kickstart my career. It was difficult coming out of university and knowing exactly what type of job would suit me best. Joining the graduate programme at Wales and West Housing was fantastic as it allowed me to gain real, on-the-job experience at a large organisation. Being able to spend time with other departments really helped me to understand the sector, and importantly, it showed me the career I wanted. I'm so happy I managed to secure a permanent role after completing the programme with Wales and West Housing.
The Grow Our Own programme enables our trainees to launch their careers without the need for any previous experience. It's a chance for them to discover the kind of work they find most rewarding. We invest in their personal and professional development, whether they remain with us at the end of the programme or not. The programme includes dedicated time across the organisation, attending formal training sessions to develop personal and professional skills, and gaining real on-the-job experience by working a full-time role. Not only will graduates benefit from working in our award-winning culture, they will also work for an organisation with a strong social purpose to make a difference to people's lives, homes and communities across Wales.
The best thing about the programme is the opportunity that it provides. I felt instantly welcomed, supported and valued. I was given the autonomy to own and manage my own projects while also being supported to develop my skills. I couldn't have asked for a better first step in my career.
The graduate programme at Wales and West Housing is building
opportunity, diverse,
Development.
The graduate programme at Wales and West Housing is fulfilling,
Is unique.
is supportive.
Is exciting.
Wales and West Housing's graduate programme really helped me kickstart my career.